Hi guys, hi everyone. This quickly Digbee's Expert Online. I know it's been a while that I actually came online to upload one or two videos. Now I am actually coming up with a new series of make money, legal ideas that we can use to actually, add up to our income stream. For a number of you guys that have been doing trading, the new series of lectures I actually want to be doing right now is it going to be on trading, but of course I'll still be combining it with it. So now today I'd like to introduce us to a new site that's actually making people very good series of money, and I want to believe a number of you guys will surely be interested in it, and that's the reason I'm actually coming up right now to do stuff like this. And I want to believe as you guys will actually be following me on this, it will be very nice of you to follow attentively, and let's see what we can achieve together with it. Now there's a lot of online marketing that we can do, but there's this series of simple online business that we can do. We're not selling anything whatsoever, we're just promoting offers to people by locking in content, and you're getting paid for it. Now one of the sites you can use is cpagrip, cpagrip, which is what I've actually been looking up to recently. I've been looking into it, and it's been a while. It's been very, it's been looking promising to me, and I think we can do that. Now this is the website. cpagrip says performance marketing and CPA stroke paper download affiliate network. Now I'm going to log into my account, and you will see, of course, I'm just getting started on it personally myself. I haven't actually started on it to promote it, but I read a lot about one series of information on it, and I discovered that it's a thing we can actually be doing, we can do together, and we can rock up on it and make some very nice results with it. Now with the system update, we can see the system is actually recording some publishers. That means a number of us like that, people like us that are actually running on it, and you can see some of their earnings there. They said this guy has earned $18,000. Of course, you guys can see this one 99, this one 34, 17, this 11,000 plus, 1,000 plus, 600 plus, and all that. But they said for you to actually be a partaker of this, before you partake in this chat program, please first select a chat handle in the account section panel. But now for you to be entitled to this, you must have minimum of $25 earnings before you can actually be privileged into being in there. Now I haven't actually done anything whatsoever there, and for me to actually be of assistance to you, I'm going to leave my link under the video description there, and you guys will be able to sign up from there. But now let me just walk up through a little bit of what we can actually be expecting there. If you actually want to see your chart, stores that you've been doing, your activity so far, you can come to statistics and chart. It gives you this. Of course, like I said, I haven't actually been doing anything whatsoever with it, but let me go to all time. And just see some of the traffics that I've actually, without me even doing anything whatsoever. You can see just because of 53 views, I've been able to earn over $2 there. So we can do several of that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll leave my affiliate link there, and allow for you guys to join me with it, and I'll be giving you guys some series of relevant information in how you can actually turn your knowledge about this website into very good money making for us. So to do that, one of the major ways we can do to monetize in there, now like I said, it's about content locking. You can lock your content, you can lock the URL, you can lock your video, you can lock a number of things. It's a very good revolutionary system that just came up, and actually, and the honor of this is it says, your account manager, welcome, my name is John Wilson and I'm your account manager. Feel free to contact me, stuff like that. By the time you actually sign up, you have your own account manager as well, so that you can chat with. I know you can have a lot of things like that. So I want to believe, I just introduced this to you, like I said, but over time I'll actually be coming up with series of, ways we can actually turn our knowledge into money, and we can monetize it. We can, as you guys can see, monetization tools in my next series of videos that I'm going to upload. I'm going to tell you the simplest way you guys can actually come around, and you can do it, and you guys too can actually start having results like this. Like I showed you, I haven't actually done anything whatsoever there, and that's the reason you've seen just ordinary $2. Had it been, I've been doing a lot of things, it would have been much, much, much better than that. Thanks and God bless. I'll appreciate you guys to just stay behind, just take it cool there, and let's see what we can achieve together over time, because it's actually be very nice of us, being together. Now remember what I said. We require a new account to earn a minimum of $25 before you participate in a chat program. That is in the chat there, for you to actually be entitled into this public chat. You must have earned minimum of $25. Once you're able to earn $25 in there, you can come back here and you start finding, series of information you might probably need and all that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get my link, leave it in the description, and you guys will actually go in there and you sign up, and let's see, once I see you as my affiliate, you can actually get in touch with me, and I will send some information about how you can get started on it. But nonetheless, I'm still going to be uploading series of lectures on how we can actually monetize our knowledge in there. And I want to believe that this can actually be of a great advantage into your income stream online. For now, thanks and God bless. Bye for now.